What's up, my fans? Today we're gonna make a motorbike sound from our backyard right now. So far, we got 2 motorbikes I have, but it's real fake. But anything people wants to ask, but we're gonna try something. Here's the oldest bike I ever had. I brought. So it's an 18-year-old bike. Somehow I gotta show you the sound of this. You ready? Okay, so the red bike is okay, but the second one I'm going to show you is the black one. Has a pipe there. So there's the black bike right there. So it has a lot of cards, but it has 2 on it. It's okay. It doesn't have things in it, but I'm going to take it out for something. Sounds like a Mustang though, but it's different. So you ready? Oh, yeah, oh, alright, I'll just restart that part. That was terrible. That was a terrible part. That was actually sounds louder than the other one. So I hope you like this video. Press the subscribe button, click right there, and press the bell, click right there, and comment if you got the loudest bike in your head or a motorcycle, and then press the like button, and then I'll see you tomorrow.